The 2013 Mercedes SL class by Brabus. Brabus will likely have the busiest stand at the Essen Motor Show. Here is yet another incredible tuning package launched by the German tuner. It is based on the Mercedes SL500 and will add plenty of extra pop its base engine, as well as exterior and interior upgrades. Under the hood, Brabus installed 520 PowerXtra CGI module with plug-and-play design, an auxiliary water-to-air intercooler powered by an auxiliary electric pump and, of course, a stainless steel sport exhaust system with 4 chrome-plated tailpipes. As a result, the output has been increased from the standard 435 horsepower to 520 horsepower, while peak torque has been raised to 604 pound-feet. Brabus uninstalled the speed limiter and replaced it with a variable one that allows the customer to choose from a top speed of 155, 172 or 186 miles per hour. This upgrade also allows the SL500 to launch from a stop to 62 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. The exterior receives some significant updates, including new front fenders with side air vents, new side skirts and a new rear spoiler. Brabus also added a set of wheels, offered in 4 different sizes, 18, 19 and 20 inches, and in 3 designs, monoblock F, Q or R wheels. The wheels have been combined with custom-tailored suspension components, which were designed in cooperation with Bilstein, and an electronic lowering module that can lower the car's ride by 0.98 inches.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.